Thank you for joining Quick Tips for Nonprofits. Community Law Center is offering these quick tips as we navigate the COVID-19 coronavirus state of emergency. Today's quick tip will focus on making decisions remotely for your organization. Community Law Center is a legal services provider for nonprofit organizations and community organizations throughout Maryland. We work to promote stronger nonprofits and more vibrant neighborhoods. Community Law Center can help nonprofits with a variety of legal issues, including forming, reviving, and maintaining nonprofits, as well as legal issues like real property, zoning, contracts, employment issues, intellectual property, nuisance property and vacant property, liquor licensees, and more. Today's workshop is just for informational purposes and should not be seen as legal advice, which should be tailored to your individual organization. Attending the workshop does not make your organization a client of Community Law Center, but I will talk about how the organization can become a client. How can my organization make decisions when we can't meet in person? Due to COVID-19, many organizations are figuring out how to navigate the new landscape of remote work. There are two ways to hold meetings during this time. You can hold meetings by phone or video call as long as everyone can hear everyone else and be heard all at the same time. You can also take action without a meeting. There's some limited permission for this under state law, which I'll discuss. How to hold a remote meeting. First, check your bylaws. Your bylaws may give some information on what your organization can and can't do. Unless your bylaws say otherwise, meetings can be by remote communication. This means that conference and video calls count as a meeting as long as everyone can hear everyone else and be heard by everyone else at the same time. Being on the call counts as being present for quorum purposes. It's a good idea to make an agenda ahead of time to stay on task and make sure to take attendance and meeting minutes as you normally would. Allow time for check-ins to hear how everyone is doing and about any community needs that your nonprofit can help with. Make sure you follow your bylaws for notice and voting, just like you would for any other meeting. Taking action without meeting. Under Maryland law, nonprofit boards can take some actions without holding a meeting as long as every board member of the nonprofit gives their consent in writing or electronically by email or by text, and as long as these written consents are included in the meeting minutes. This means that if there's some issue that you want to address and you get everyone to agree with that action in writing, you don't need to hold a meeting to discuss and decide on that action. You can go by everyone's consent in writing. Thanks for checking out today's quick tip. You can learn more and find more resources for nonprofits on Community Law Center's website. We have workshops and publications that cover a variety of issues. If you'd like to speak with an attorney, we're doing brief legal advice up to 45 minutes, and you can schedule an appointment through Google Forms. You can also contact us or apply for legal services through our website. Thank you and stay safe.